My name is Peter Blythe. I'm the Managing Director of Dynamic Steel Frame, where we believe that there's a lighter, straighter, better way to build everything. I founded Dynamic Steel Frame in late 2010 with a factory, a machine and one-man rolling frames. We're now one of the leading lightweight steel frame manufacturers in the country with 3 roll formers, a large manufacturing facility, and we're at the forefront of lightweight steel frame innovation.
Structair and Dynamic Steel Frame have successfully worked together for the last 3 years. Together we've been able to come up with some really innovative solutions and really push the boundaries when it comes to building with light gauge steel frames. We were able to deliver Australia's first 4-storey conventionally erected apartment complex using light gauge steel. This resulted in a 15% reduction in structural steel, which provided significant weight savings for the client.
Everything we do at Dynamic Steel Frame is first 3D modelled in our manufacturing software so that we know clash detection, we know integration with structural steel, and we know what's going to work on site before it gets to site. Everything we do is prefabricated. There is no on-site assembly, meaning that your builds are considerably faster.
Prefabrication gives the guys on site more control. The frames are able to be manufactured and delivered to site very quickly.
We manufacture for industries such as residential and domestic builds, large upper-level replacements on commercial buildings, multi-storey residentials, light industrial, sheds, garages, commercial facades, unique architectural features. The list really is endless.
I've been dealing with Dynamic Steel Frame for about 5 years now. Done a number of projects during that time frame. Always found them to be thoroughly professional. We use light gauge steel on our projects in lieu of timber. It's much faster to install. You don't need to straighten the walls after it's been installed either before you sheet them, and it's cheaper as well. The last project we did in Blackburn was particularly difficult. I had a lot of interesting angles around the entire facade, and Dynamic supplied all of the frames for that job.
At Dynamic Steel Frame, we use world-leading software technology to 3D model every building. We integrate with structural steel, lightweight steel, concrete, hobs to make sure that on-site it's a very smooth installation process. Dynamic Steel Frame is at the forefront of lightweight steel frame technology. We coordinate with Swinburne University and the Smart Technologies Lab to test lots of our ideas. From these tests, we know that we've got one of the highest performing steel flooring systems on the market.
I'm James Banks from Intricon, and I've been working with Peter Blythe from Dynamic Steel Frame since 2013. Dynamic Steel Frame has been integral in the success of the Zinnia project in Yarraville. In my design management role at Intricon, we saw an opportunity to provide time and cost savings by introducing Dynamic's lightweight steel framing. Peter and the team at Dynamic take a very proactive approach to structural design, and as such make the design management and cost planning process easier.
When you're ready to make your project lighter, straighter, better, come and see the team at Dynamic Steel Frame.